Hi, my name is Evy. I'm a student at TO and I'm doing my second internship for SportWays. SportWays is an organization that organizes hockey camps all over the world, and we're right now in Amsterdam where the overnight camps are happening. I'm a trainee event management, so I'm organizing the events behind the scenes and also the social media.
Evy is doing very well. She's very responsible, and I think that's what she learns in school.
I like it a lot. I have nice colleagues. I meet a lot of new people from all over the world. We have a course, event management, and I really like that course, so I wanted to do an event internship. After this internship I will start graduating, and after that I'm going to South Africa to work at a sports project in a township. And I want to start up my own business to help kids and share my passion.